Hey, MEP here, MEP Investments. So here's a little penny stock that I got into at about 80 cents, and it's actually been working. They do tools. Name of the company is Toughbuilt, and it's been pretty good. I got in about 80 cents, 81 cents. Wish I would have done a video when I got right in it, but I have lots of positions. But I think this one still has room to run. I mean, it closed on Friday at a buck 26. It had hit my scan, and I picked some up when it was about 80 cents when it kind of crossed here, over here, the moving average. But it's had a nice run since then. Here's the daily chart. It's at a buck 26, and it's moved past the 50 and 200-day moving average. They have earnings on 3:30. That's the daily chart. Let me see the weekly chart. If I can pull up the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. You see the clean break, the RSI increasing over 53, and right now we're at $1.26. Now, I mean, their sales are increasing. They really don't have bad news, and construction has been doing well with do-it-yourself projects and people being staying at home because of that pandemic. Um, I can see these guys getting uh, higher higher stock price here. Um, the fundamentals, it's a $48 million company, uh, and here's the description of the company: design, manufacture, and distribute tools and accessories to the building industry. They have about 36 million shares outstanding. 4% of management owned, only 2% of mutual funds or institutional investors. EPS 37, group rating 25, composite rating 25. Um, no profits as of, well, it says here they had a profit in the last quarter of a penny. And look at their sales. So that's a big increase in sales. Look at their typical sales: 3.4, 5.5 million, 4.8, 4.8, 4.5, 3.9, 6.8 to 16.7. So they really increased their sales, and they were profitable. So this thing this thing is pretty cheap, and it's in a sector that seems to be doing okay, because I've read reports that Stanley Tools is doing pretty good. So I think there's more room to go here. This chart doesn't look that bad. It crossed the moving averages. I don't see why you can't see, this back into the two area quick, and who knows, maybe test this up here, 480 eventually over time. So I don't think they have I don't think they have options. Here's my position. I wish I would have picked up some more. Um, yeah, they don't have options. No options on it. So here's some news. They launched 11 new cutting products at Lowe's. Um, Thought there was something else, but well, the latest news here in TD is that they put some new products in Lowe's. So I would keep an eye on this one, and maybe add, if you can, pullbacks if you want some exposure to the construction industry in the small cap space. Um, Tough Built Industries has been looking pretty decent. It's doing okay for me. Um, Maybe add a couple more hundreds of shares on a pullback if we get one. But it's been acting nicely. It really has. It kind of broke out of this range here that has been going back and forth. It is a penny stock, and people shy from penny stocks, but I've seen many penny stocks uh, go much higher over time. I remember I bought AMD back in the day, which I wish I would have held, at about $2. AMD is just below 100. So if you do your due diligence and look for some of the winners that are doing okay, and you stay patient and maybe invest over time, they could be rewarding. Some trade them, some hold them. It's up to you. There's different styles for different folks. I mean, depends on you. I'm holding this one because it's not a big investment and it's a cheapie, and I got my initial investment there, and hopefully it can keep climbing. But they seem to be bucking the trend and doing better things. So be on the lookout for Toughbuilt Industries, TBLT. Please share the video with friends and family, subscribe, hit that notification button, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.